Alright guys, I got another sun visor repair video, and surprise surprise, it's another GM full size. So if you already looked at my other video, which was over this style of sun visor, and that wasn't the one in your car, you're probably going to be this guy. It's the next generation of Suburban Tahoe, Yukon, Escalade, and then we got the Avalanche, and the Hummer comes into play eventually as well. So same thing here. We got a mirror cover, which if it breaks off, it'll leave your vanity lights on all the time, draws your battery, not good. These things are very fragile and they break easily, so therefore sometimes we gotta replace them. It is very easy to do. Once you have your sun visor off your vehicle, or you can attempt to do it in your car. Definitely easier to do it this method. It's only a couple screws. I recommend doing it. Go ahead and get on a flat surface, and again, $5 pry tool on Amazon, highly recommend it. First thing you're going to do is take a flat wedge like this is, stick it under the left bottom corner of the cover, and slowly get your lip underneath the bottom there. Okay. You could put your finger to the pry tool on that side, head over to the other corner, do that, keep that up, and then head to the middle. And there you go. See, there's like 5 little tabs there that gotta pop out. This one's kind of unsymmetrical. It's right to the right of the middle of this visor. Those are the 5 ones you're gonna have to pull out. At this point, you're pretty much home free. The back of this guy has a lip, which sits underneath the back of the sun visor. So just pull this towards you a little bit, and then flip up, and there you go. It's off. The way to get it out though is pull off these 2 black wires here. It's just kind of like a compression. I don't even know what to call it, not a fitting, but just how it's held in place here. You're gonna pop these out. It's not too hard to do. I'm not gonna do it on this one because this is a fully functional visor. I don't want to break it. If you are replacing a broken one, you got less skin in the game. Anyways, you're gonna pop these guys out, and when you get your replacement one, you can pop those wires right back in, and you're gonna reverse the steps I just showed you. Now, again, you can't buy these brand new, so your options are either, if you have a really good condition sun visor, cloth looks great, you can buy these replacements on eBay. I'll link my store to it, and these are OEM replacements. Or if the whole sun visor needs replaced, maybe you just need to call it and do the whole thing. Now, these covers are actually interchangeable left and right, unlike the previous generations. So this cover you can buy for your driver or passenger sun visor, which is great. So to install it again, let's assume this was broken, replace it. Here's our new one. Pop those wires back into these 2 slots that you pulled them out just a second ago. That lip I'm talking about, which is right there, gonna go ahead and feed that underneath the back of the sun visor. And I like to do it with the cover open like this so you can see these pegs really easily. Bring it down, start with the middle one, push it down with your thumb until it pops, work your way out, and there you go. Voila, it is done. You repaired another thing on your own. Always feels good to DIY. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments. Let me know what you guys need. Thank you for watching once again.